Alright, this demo here is for the King Design Vibration Simulator System. I fully don't understand how this whole thing works because it didn't come with a manual, but I'm going to show you what I do know works. First off the bat, I'll show you that of course it comes with a computer. That's the monitor with the software on it. My thing is that I really don't know how to make these interconnect with each other. I'll show you the hookups in the back in a second, and then comes with the PC. Now there's a connection cable that goes to this Dactron Comet Shaker control, and then you have the whole system itself, which comes with the controller, a bunch of gauges, and then the rack system. On the back side, you have the Dactron right here. Has this cable right here that goes to here, to the back of the PC right here, and then we have the monitor, your mouse and keyboard. And on the back of this Dactron, to make it hook up, I'm figuring out either its inputs or the drive, but the only place they can hook up to is that BNC connectors right there. In here, you can see that this is your main control contactors, SSRs, and I'm guessing this is probably the AC to DC drive control. This is probably some more control equipment for boards. And then you got on the back side of the main controller. And these three cables run to various systems, two of them being those two BNCs down at the bottom. And then you have your on and off to the whole system. Also we have is a vacuum. I guess it helps cool off the shaker. And we have the shaker itself. Alright, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run a set program on this thing. Basically, if you turn this off, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn on the main. It's actually got to go through the code first. Okay, now turn on the main, and then turn on the system. Okay, it's going to ask you for a code. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this in auto. Let me just reset auto. It usually tells me what program to put. Oh, I'll hit program, and I'm going to do program 2. And then I'm going to hit start. And now it's doing the pre-testing. You can see the thing's vibrating. And hopefully you can hear it. Hear the frequency of it. It's actually going up to 2,000. getting closer to the 2000 finally. And then it drops down to 10. And you can see it's vibrating. And you can hear it's getting lower. And that is all part of the software or the program telling it to do that. Unfortunately, I don't have this hooked up, so I don't know. I'm trying to get hold of King Design right now to see if they know more about it, unless the customer knows more than I do and will be able to help me out. But as you can hear, it's still going slower until it reaches 10 hertz. You can really see it shaking now. I'm just going to shut it off, and then hopefully